Hi everybody, my name is Alyssa and today I'm going to be walking you through the latest update here in Headliner. So the update is going to allow you to pull in your chapter art into our full-length audiograms. An example of the update is going to be found in this audiogram. So you can see here right now that it starts out with one of my images. This is going to be actually my first piece of chapter art that I made with Headliner's AI. But I can quickly fast forward and see that this is actually going to dynamically change whenever my chapter is up and a new chapter starts. So you can see right here, we have a change, and then again here. To achieve that look and to utilize the update, you're going to need to create a full-length automatic audiogram. To do that, you'll go ahead and click on this purple-blue gradient automatic audiogram button and just start with the automation flow. So I create for the Headliner podcast. And then again, you're going to need to create a full-length audiogram. And right now, that's going to be the YouTube destination selection. And then click full episode. And then from here, you can choose if you want to go ahead and automatically post these videos to your YouTube channel directly, or if you just want Headliner to send you an email for you to review and then post manually yourself at a later date and time. And then you can click either from your back catalog or future episodes. I'm going to be creating from my back catalog, and this will allow me to create up to 3 different videos per day and then have them automatically uploaded to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I'm just starting out with this podcast, so I actually only have 1 episode to work with right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave all these selected for now, but you could go episodally or by season if you would want to. And then from here, just go ahead and pick your template. So we're going to just keep it super easy and just go with one of Headliner's pre-made templates. And then you can see here that it's pulled in my show art right here, just as an example, but later this will actually dynamically populate my chapter art for me. So let's go ahead and preview that automation.
This is an example of how your audiograms will look after you've completed setting up your automation.
We can see here that Headliner's gone ahead and it has made that lovely audiogram for me. It's gone ahead and it's pulled in my very first piece of chapter art right here. And then we've got the episode name as well, dynamically populated here in the top left corner. So I think it looks good. I'm just going to leave the template as is. So I'm going to go ahead and tell Headliner, hey, go ahead and run with this. So now Headliner is going to go ahead and shoot me an email whenever that video is ready. And again, now not the same template, but this is kind of the look and feel that you're going for, with Headliner just going ahead and pulling in all of that show art and chapter art for me in a very dynamic way. But that is the update. The update kind of marks Headliner moving forward with the Podcasting 2.0 initiative. So we've always supported the Podcasting 2.0 chapters in Eddy, but now we are starting to actually take that information, and if you are utilizing your chapter art and you're adding it into your RSS feed and your metadata, then Headliner is going to go ahead and be able to use that to create even more dynamic and even more awesome audiograms. As always, if you have any questions, thoughts, comments, suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below, or shoot us an email for the quickest response at support@headliner.app, and we will get back to you in a jiffy. Thank you for watching and happy podcasting.